It's a melt up. It's a melt up. The Bitcoin price is ripping back towards 20,000. Could today possibly be the day? Is Bitcoin about to break to a new all-time high? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. This is quite possibly the most polarizing point of the trend that I've ever seen. Right now, we have the bulls not only calling for a break of 20K, but possibly a break up towards the $30,000 level. We're going to discuss this. But on the contrary here, we also have the bears calling for a potential triple top rejection before a plunge deep down into the crypto abyss. We need to look at this as realistically as possible to identify what could potentially happen here over the next 24 to 72 hours. So let's get this crypto. We'll begin right here on the 4-hour time frame. But my friends, before we do in fact begin, if you could, please smash that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps the channel, so thank you for that. And if you are brand new, well, welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you are ever going to find. So hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, select all, and let's get this crypto. Welcome to the channel. So now, my friends, beginning here on the 4-hour time frame, I just want you to observe the structure of the trend right here, right now. Since October of 2020, Bitcoin has created this line, old resistance, which then flipped into new support, not once, not twice, but thrice now. So after this third bounce off of support, okay, Bitcoin right now was finding resistance along this trend line. I mean, you can't make this stuff up, my friends. Look where it was just finding that little bit of resistance, butting its head along the top of it. And right now, at the time of recording, it appears that the Bitcoin price is attempting to break out. Look at where we are right now. We've cleared this whole range of resistance here, horizontal resistance broken. Second line of horizontal resistance broken, and now we are potentially looking to now break through this level, which has happened, form support here, and all we have up ahead here right now is at about 20,000 flat, which is essentially a break of our old all-time high. My friends, it's very possible that by the time you're watching this video, that Bitcoin has already smashed through the region. If we break to a new all-time high, I am expecting some type of whipsaw action to occur. If you're unfamiliar, whipsaw price action is when it goes up very fast, can come down very fast, and chop around something like this. I do expect for the emotions to be running high. I expect for speculators to be playing hot potato here, in, out, in, out. Things could get explosive. So before we even continue here, I just want to give you one of my famous sayings, all right? If you fail to plan, then your plan is to fail. Let me repeat that once more for the degenerates in the back. If you fail to plan, then your plan is to fail. My friends, whatever happens here today, right? If we break up and rip above 20,000, you need to have a plan for that scenario, okay? Each trader and investor is different. You personally need a strategy and a plan for yourself if we break up. And if we do break up and it's a fake out and we dump, you need to have a plan for that as well. Now let's continue. Just have your mental state ready for whatever this trend is going to throw our way. Now, let's take a look here at the alligator, all right? We've just discussed the resistance levels that Bitcoin is potentially looking to clear right now. Not much left overhead. Let's get this crypto. The alligator here, the Williams alligator indicator, looking quite strong, my friends. We had our cross all the way back in October. The green above the red and the blue, widening bands. It took a little bit of a drop off here, but now it's back off to the races. It looks good on the 1-day time frame. If we look on the 4-hour, things got iffy when we dumped here. The Don said, ladies and gentlemen, watch out. The Williams alligator has crossed to the downside, and if we lose this trend line support here, things could get ugly. But nah, said Little James, and the Bitcoin bulls. We saw a response at this support level. We then saw a bounce up to the top of the resistance trend line. And right now, my friends, not only has the alligator turned around here on the 4-hour time frame with a green cross above the red and the blue, but if we notice, what does this look like here, my friends? What does this pattern just in fact look like? Ding, ding, ding. Chicken wings for dinner. Tofu if you're vegan. This could be a bull flag in and of itself, my friends, right? And if this is in fact going to be a bull flag, let's take a hypothetical, theoretical, measured move of the flagpole. Make this yellow just so we can see it better. We're going to take this flagpole, extrapolate it to the upside. Let's zoom out real fast and we'll take a look, my friends. If this pattern were to play out, my friends, we do have a hypothetical, theoretical target up there at about 20,000, at about 21,000. Let's get this crypto. So we do potentially have that little mini bull flag there as well on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, alligator looks good there. We'll flip it back on for one moment, take a quick look at the 1 hour, and there we are, my friends, looking beautiful on the 1 hour as well. Now, let's take a quick glance here at the moving averages, okay? Turn the alligator off. Here we have the 20, 50, and 200 moving averages on the 1 hour time frame, currently trading above all three of those, looking healthy there. If we go to the daily time frame, currently trading above all of those, looking healthy there. And if we do go to the 4-hour time frame, not only are we trading above all three, looking healthy there as well, but my friends, we did get the short-term 20 crossing above the 50 earlier today. Let's get this crypto. I mean, right now, from the Williams alligator and the moving average perspective, this thing is looking nice, especially with this little breakout, possibly of the bull flag right now. Does all of this mean that the Bitcoin price has to continue to the upside? Absolutely not. There are no certainties or guarantees in trading, right? There is always a high risk with all of this, okay? Keep that in mind. Now, if we flip our moving averages off, I want to go here to the directional movement index. The red line is known as the ADX indicator, okay? The blue line is the positive directional movement. The orange line is the negative directional movement. Right here, right now, my friends, we had a breakout of the blue positive momentum above the negative on the 4-hour time frame. The negative plunging into the abyss. The positive ripping towards the sky. My friends, right now we are seeing an uptick on the ADX as well, a positive bullish breakout there on the 4-hour time frame. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, positive bull cross right here, possibly with the break of this resistance of the potential bull flag pattern on the 1-hour time frame. Let's get this crypto. And if we go over to the daily, well, my friends, just as I showed you the other day, right, for the degenerate Moon Boy, the Moon Boy posse, that the other day when the Don was saying, look, my friends, if we lose this line, it could get ugly. And if the bears do see a cross here, that combination of a loss of support and the the negative momentum crossing above the blue, things could get ugly. But my friends, the bulls stepped back in. They created that little hammer doji candle right there, my friends, right at the support line. And when the bears came in and tried to turn that indicator over, they said, nah, Little James, not today. And the bulls regained control of the trend. The DMI indicator here, positive directional movement, looking healthy on the 1 day as well. Let's get this crypto. My friends, if you can hear the passion in the Don's voice today, I think you know why. When opportunity like this enters this market, when emotions run high, that is when potentially very, very lucrative trading opportunity can arise. My friends, I'm just trying to prepare you right now for what could be an explosive breakout to the upside. Okay. And on the contrary, we are going to discuss in one moment what could happen if that fails. Okay. So take this with a grain of salt. But before we continue any further, I just want to say one more time, If you could, my friends, please leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate that. It really helps. So thank you if you are enjoying. And you've probably realized by now, welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you are ever going to find. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you do not miss any more of these analyses as this trend progresses forward. Let's get this crypto. Welcome to the channel. Now, as I just stated, there is always a possibility for a fake out to the downside here. Now, before we get to that, let me just give you a reason why you'll see some people shouting for 30,000 right now, okay? And the reason for that is purely, in my opinion, because of this Fibonacci extension, okay? Now, obviously, look where this Fibonacci, the 1.618 Fib extension is, right? We're pulling it from our prior market cycle top at about 14,000 all the way down to our roughly $3,800 low. That gives us a 1.618 Fibonacci ratio extension target up at about 20,000. But if we flip this over to the logarithmic scale, well, my friends, there is your $30,000 target. Of course, it does not have to hit that. It's just that, hey, at least there is something worthy of noting up in that vicinity, right? That it's not just all pie in the sky. There is at least something there to speculate upon, from a theoretical perspective of where Bitcoin could potentially wind up, as we don't have any prior data up in that range to go off of, right? So very exciting times here indeed. Now, keep this on your radar as well, my friends. It's very possible here that because so many people may look to buy in upon the breakout of 20,000, that we could see a lot of liquidity enter this market here, right? And big time players, right? Big time whales, big time market movers could look to, dump some bags up there, right? Very, very possible. Like I stated earlier in the beginning of the stream, that is the type of thing that could occur that leads to massive whipsaw action, right? Where we could immediately break out, there it goes, Kirby, we're going to the moon. And then we see a whipsaw type candle, right? And then up again, back down again. My friends, right now, you need to prepare yourself mentally that this range could get very, very volatile, okay? In my opinion here, if Bitcoin does break above this range, volatility may enter this market in a way that many will not be prepared for. Right now, the Don is strategizing around the clock, 24/7, preparing to strike like a cobra out of the grass and get this crypto when I see the time is right. My friends, if you want to see exactly how I'm preparing to potentially crush this market like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can, my friends, I post all of my exclusive trade setup ideas, strategy ideas, entry ideas, exit ideas, potential take profit ideas. I post all of that around the clock exclusively for you in VIP. If you are not already in my VIP, with this crazy, savage market volatility that could potentially re-enter this market right now at any moment with this break, my friends, the Don is salivating here. The Megalodon smells the scent in the air of potentially life-changing trading opportunity. And I know that if I see it occur, my friends, the Don is preparing to strike. So if you do, in fact, want to see all of that from me, my exclusive trade setup ideas, entry ideas, exit ideas, potential take profit ideas, my friends, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. So folks, keep a level head here. Do not lose your mind to the market. It's very possible we could see an up and a down, or a down and an up. Just understand that right now, volatility, in my opinion, is to be expected. I'm really liking, rather, I am loving what I'm seeing here on a micro level from a bullish perspective. There is certainly this last level of resistance here. And as I've stated, there is possibly a liquidity factor to factor into the equation with a break to a new all-time high. Right now, I'm watching this market like a hawk with an eagle eye, and I am preparing to strike when I see the opportunity arise. My friends, on that note, one last time, I'm telling you right now that I will see you all in VIP right now after this video. The Don is strategizing around the clock to potentially crush this move like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can. So if you want to see all of my personal trade setup ideas in absolute real time, then I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. And my friends, if you could, one last time for the YouTube algorithm, if you could hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all. Welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you are ever going to find. My friends, keep your head straight on, okay? Do not lose your mind to the market volatility. Do not lose your mind to the FOMO moon boy sentiment. Remain cool, calm, and collected, and prepare to strike like a cobra out of the grass and get this crypto. On that note, my friends, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.